Michael here with Oasis Home Buyers, and I'm with Deborah. We just bought her house. So first off, Deborah, how'd you hear about Oasis Home Buyers?
TV.
Okay.
On the TV.
Yeah.
Commercial.
Awesome. Saw us on TV, you called us, and you actually got a hold of me, right? How we made you feel?
Yes, very, very comfortable. This whole process have felt very comfortable. So, I mean, it's going real fast, and that's really what I wanted, was a fast process.
Yeah. Fast process, smooth process, easy. I think from when we originally talked to closing, 2 weeks? Does that sound right?
Less.
Okay, less than 2 weeks?
Less than 2 weeks. About 10 days.
Deborah here had no bill issues or anything like that, nothing to get caught up. We just had to get our mortgage payoff and move on, and it is super easy to get a mortgage payoff when you are still ahead. So mind sharing why you decided to call us, why you need to call us, and why you want to sell so fast?
Basically just ready to move on to something different. You know, this is an older home, and I'm just leery about maybe the upkeep and cost of the upkeep. This has been so far a very professional transaction and very fast, and any phone call I've made, I've gotten the answers, that I need.
Awesome. I love that, and that's what we look to deliver. We look to solve people's problems and do it with a great customer service base, and I'm glad we were able to do that.